Another Raptor just checked in. Negative on water as well.
Who's left?
Boomer and Crashdown, sir.
Well, they come up negative as well. What's our backup plan?
We jump to another sector. We start the search all over again. Needle in a haystack.
More like grain of salt on a beach.
Still nothing, and more nothing.
I've got nothing here either.
And that's it. 5 moons, 5 zeros. I'm getting thirsty just thinking about it. Hope somebody else has more luck out there.
Yeah.
What's on your mind, Boomer?
I don't know. I have this feeling. Let's run that last sweep again.
You're the boss. Beginning sweep 21.
Beginning sweep 22.
Boomer, I'm getting nothing again. How about you?
I'm having trouble saying it.
What do you mean?
I think I see... Oh! I have positive contact! Yeah!
What? Oh, yes! Woo! Yeah! Oh! Good call, Boomer! Woo!
Sir, Dratus just picked up Boomer's Raptor.
Let's hear it.
Galactica Crashdown. Dratus sweeps indicated it's time to break out the swim trunks because we've found water. Repeat, positive water contact.
Patch me into the entire fleet.
You're connected, sir.
Attention.
This is the commander. We have found water.
Let's go have a drink.
I think they're pleased. I can hear them screaming in the background.
Way to go, Boomer.
Nice work, sir.
Nice job. Let's get you debriefed.
Yes, sir. Chief, do you think you could take a look at my ejection pyros? There's a short or something.
Yeah, Callie.
No, Chief. If you could take a look at it yourself.